You may find that you have in your group, this is my group here, and I have some things that are going on. So this part, let's switch to outline, Command Y. These two areas are, if I press A for the direct selection tool, and I go in here and I get the group selection, I can go in and just grab this piece and I can press Shift, Shift adds to my selection. I can get those two. Now let's look at them. Command Y, you could see that they're filled in with black, so I could fill them in with white instead. That's one way to do that. But instead of it actually being a shape on top of another shape, I just want there to be nothing there. For whatever reason, for instance, over here, right, this isn't a white shape, it's just the absence. And why might I want that? Because if I put in a floor solid color and that's white, I would have to change these two objects to that floor color. It would be a mess. So to clean it up a little bit, I'm going to just select this group here, and we're going to use the Shape Builder tool. And you could see how with the Shape Builder tool I can see that this is a shape. I'm going to press Option or Alt on a PC, and you could see that the arrow, next to the arrow there's a little minus sign. So with this minus sign, I am trimming out of the foot, the larger object behind it. I'm going to go back to the selection tool, and now when I select that, let's go back. A good way to test it is let's put an object. So I'll get a rectangle here, and I'm going to just put it there. Let's give it a different color. So let's give it like a gray color, and I need to send that object, arrange, send to the back. And now you can see that there are not two objects here, it's just a hole inside of the foot. So I can delete that rectangle. So the Shape Builder tool is really a great thing to use to trim out certain objects that you may not need. I've got a lot of those. This part is an object, that's an object, that's an object, and it's white. So figure out, do you need to do that or do you not need to do that? Sometimes it doesn't really matter. But sometimes if I have a color behind it and it's a pain to change all that, it may actually matter.